Volkswagen came very late to the SUV ball, but just as Cinderella turned heads as she entered the room, so has the Touareg. The Touareg seats 5, and Volkswagen has no intention of adding a third row seat because it would limit the Touareg's off-road capabilities. The Volkswagen TV commercials make fun of the pronunciation, but once you drive this exciting luxury SUV, the name Touareg just rolls off the tongue. If you are a serious off-roader, then Moab is a very familiar place. It's one of the cruelest off-road locations in America. Can you look beyond the Volkswagen badging for your luxury SUV? Does supple leather seating, brushed metal, wood trim, and a clean, well laid out dash get your attention? How about a fit and finish and body with flowing lines of an SUV that costs several $1,000s more? Do you want a smooth and quiet ride? Is handling important? Do you feel you need 310 horsepower to be sure you can safely merge on the interstate? Are you a serious off-roader and must have a transmission that shifts to the lower gear just in case you're in treacherous terrain? Then give the Touareg a look-see. Yes, Volkswagen was late to the SUV ball. But just like Cinderella, the Touareg is capturing the heart of luxury SUV lovers.